Second topic is active and passive two terminal elements. What is meant by active element? What is meant by passive element? We know this is a circuit, general small DC circuit. Okay, here in this battery, okay, power energy is delivered, so it is called active devices. Where the energy is consumed, it is called passive devices. This is simple concept. Active elements means energy donor or current donor. Current means current flow. It will generate the current. Power generate the energy and it will supply current. Okay, so it is called active. So which consumes this thing, that is called passive. Simple thing. Okay, so for example, energy donor is nothing but battery. This is type of battery. Vacuum tubes, then transistor, BJT, bipolar junction transistor, field effect transistor, then SCRs. This will control the current. So these are all called active devices. Okay, for example, okay, another thing is that passive devices, when it consumes electric energy, simply it will consume energy, is called passive devices. For example, resistor, inductor and capacitor. So these are the active and passive elements. This is a simple thing. Okay, active elements and passive two terminal elements. Okay. The next thing is, I want to explain about frequency. This is very simple topic only. Next, frequency. What is meant by frequency? Normally we will say as our Indian system, the frequency is 50 hertz. What is the meaning of 50 hertz? 50 hertz, the other unit is 50 cycles per second. What is the meaning? Okay, the thing is that, see, AC always follow sinusoidal waveform. This is theta. Okay, this is AC waveform. This is called one cycle 0 to 360 degree. Okay, this is called positive half cycle. This is negative half cycle. Put together positive half cycle plus negative half cycle put together is called full one cycle. This is, suppose I am taking voltage, means this is maximum voltage in the positive direction. This is the minus maximum voltage in the negative direction. Okay, so what is meant by frequency? Frequency equal to how many cycles in 1 second. How many that is cycles per second. In 1 second, how many cycles are there? In Indian system, we are following 50 hertz, so 50 cycles will be there. Just in 1 second. Okay, how many cycles will be there? See, in 1 second, I am drawing this thing. So like this thing, sinusoidal waveform. This is 1 cycle, 2 cycle, 3 cycle, like this thing. There will be how many cycles will be there? There will be 50 cycles will be there. If there are 50 cycles in 1 second, it is called, what's the thing? What's called 50 hertz. Okay. Suppose I take a small example. Okay, I am giving a supply, DC supply to this circuit. I am giving DC supply to this circuit. This is an active element which is nothing but voltage source. This is a passive element which is nothing. Instead of passive element, I will go for a lamp. Okay, I will go for a lamp, incandescent lamp. Or lamp, I am going for a lamp. Okay, if I give DC voltage, this is DC voltage, this is plus and minus, the current will flow in this direction, the current will flow in the same direction throughout the period until I switch off the circuit. If I open the circuit, it will be switched off, no current will flow with it, but until the current will flow in unidirection. But if you go for AC supply, instead of giving DC supply, if I go for an AC supply, okay, this is AC supply. Okay, here there is plus minus is there. Actually there is no plus minus, but to mention the positive half cycle, which will start first, positive half cycle or negative half cycle, to mention this thing they will put like this, plus minus. Plus minus means during positive half cycle the current will flow in this direction, during negative half cycle the current will flow in this direction. It is not unidirection, it is bidirection. Current will flow. So the current will flow through the load. Load means which will consume energy. That is passive element. Passive element, that is called load. Okay, that the current will be in bidirection. So that is the thing is that during 1 second, in 1 second, current will flow in clockwise, in after another 50 times it will flow in clockwise, 50 times it will flow in anti-clockwise. So whether this will be flickering or not, yes, this lamp will flicker. This lamp will flicker, incandescent lamp will flicker, because in all our households we are using only AC. If you use incandescent lamp, like for example 0 watts lamp, now we are using that type of lamp only for this purpose. Okay, the remaining we have changed it to our LED or another type of lamps. Okay, suppose we are using this thing, means what will there will be? Flickering will be there, but we cannot see the flickering. Why we cannot see the flickering? Means in 1 second there are 50 times 100 times there will be flickering will be there. We cannot see the thing in our normalized. Okay, this is called frequency. So in addition to this active passive elements, what is the use of frequency? Mainly frequency is used in our circuit. We have to use AC circuit, not DC circuit. DC circuit we won't consider about, there is no frequency at all. Okay, in AC circuit only we will consider frequency. Mainly frequency is used to calculate when if L is given, it is converted into 2 pi, XL. We have to convert L into XL. X equal to 2 pi FL ohms. Sir, inductance to inductive reactance and capacitance to capacitive reactance. Mainly this in circuits, and after frequency is the main thing. Okay, in machines everywhere we will go for the frequency. Okay, thank you.